Here is a question that most beatmakers never ask themselves. What happens when the platform you built your audience on decides to shut you down, ban your account, or change its algorithm overnight? And the second question, if every single one of your followers lives on someone else's platform, do you actually own your audience at all? Today we are talking about one of the most important strategies a beatmaker can have. Building and owning your audience directly on your own website. This is video 3 of 4 in our series on the exact tools your beat-selling website needs to grow. Let me be real with you. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. These platforms are incredible for discovery. They help people find you. But here is the hard truth. Every follower you have on those platforms belongs to that platform, not to you. If your account gets suspended, if the algorithm stops showing your content, or if the platform shuts down entirely, your audience disappears overnight, and there is nothing you can do about it. But when someone comes to your website and you capture their information, their email address, their name, that is yours forever. That is an audience you own. Nobody can take that away from you. So let us talk about how you actually build that owned audience on your beat-selling website and why it is the most important long-term investment you can make as an independent producer. The first concept to understand is called audience capture. This means converting a casual visitor into someone you can reach directly. The most powerful tool for this is an email list. When someone visits your website and signs up to receive your beats, your updates, or a free download, they are giving you direct access to their inbox. No algorithm, no platform, just you and them. Think about what that means for your business. If you have 500 email subscribers and you drop a new beat pack, you can send one email and every single one of those 500 people gets notified immediately. You do not have to hope that the algorithm shows your post. You do not have to pay for ads to reach people who already know you. You just hit send and your audience hears from you. This is why the biggest producers and artists in the world, regardless of how many social media followers they have, always prioritize their email list. It is the only digital asset they fully control. Now here is how building an audience on your website actually works in practice. When someone discovers you on TikTok or YouTube, they watch your content, they like what they hear, they click the link in your bio or your description, they land on your website. This is the moment that matters most. This is where you have to give them a reason to stay and a reason to give you their contact information. You do that through what is called a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something of value you offer for free in exchange for an email address. For a beatmaker, this could be a free beat download, a free drum kit, access to a private beat library, or even a free tutorial on how to pick the right beat for a song. Whatever it is, it needs to be something your target audience genuinely wants. Once they give you their email, they are on your list. Now you can follow up with them. You can let them know when you drop new beats. You can offer exclusive deals. You can build a relationship over time. And relationships convert into sales. Here is another layer that most producers miss completely. Retargeting. When someone visits your website, even if they do not sign up for anything, you can still reach them again. Using tools like your TikTok pixel or Google remarketing tags on your website, you can show ads specifically to people who have already visited. These are warm leads. People who already showed interest. They are far more likely to convert than a cold audience that has never heard of you. And here is the data that backs this up. Studies consistently show that most people do not buy on their first visit to a website. The average buyer needs multiple touchpoints before they make a decision. That means if you have no way to reach someone after they leave your site, you are losing the majority of your potential customers. Building an audience, whether through email. The link is right below this video. Head over to websitesforsale.com and get your $50 website today. Stop building your business on rented land. Own your platform. Own your audience. Start today.